In this video, we're going to talk about advanced mean development. So starting off, let's talk about Mongo. So MongoDB is a NoSQL document-based database that is used in the mean stack. It is a cross-platform and available as an installable app, as a portable app, or as a cloud deployment directly through the website. MongoDB Atlas is a fully managed cloud database that removes all the overhead from the developer and provides core database functionality with administration through the web browser. So I'm logged into the cloud.mongodb.com, and as soon as I land here, clusters under Atlas is the first selectable item. So the first thing I'm going to do is begin to build a cluster. So I'm going to click the big green button in the center of the pane here, so build a cluster. Now, I'm just going to scroll down here so we can see all the options. So it supports deployments on Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. There is even a free tier available that provides a 3-node, highly available, auto-healing cluster that has end-to-end encryption. Alright, so what I'm going to do is going to create cluster under the free tier. So create cluster. And there we go. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here so we can see. So the free tier's regions are limited, with many more available in the paid for version, obviously. So I'm going to select Azure, and then I'm going to select the Virginia data center, or East US 2. Alright, and with that, I'm going to now start creating the cluster. Now, the cluster node sizes, just to be clear, I'm just going to scroll down so we can see a little bit more options. The cluster node sizes can be modified for additional fees. Alright, so you can break all these out. Backups as well can be added, and the cluster name can be set to anything you want, but cannot be changed afterward. So the size, though, of the nodes can be modified at any time, just not the cluster name. So I'll just, for testing here, I'm just going to probably just leave this, cluster 0 here. So I'm going to go now and click Create Cluster. And this will go to work. So it has, we are deploying your changes. And it's going to do 3 servers here. So what I'm going to do now is just move the video past this point of provisioning. Okay, so now that the deployment is complete, we need to whitelist the IP address that the application is connecting from. So by default, MongoDB Atlas blocks all incoming requests unless they are coming from a whitelisted IP. So on the main center